I would now
charge to announce the academic awards.
Very IIT Tirupati presents
गणनाथं भजाम्यहम्.
first student, Mr. Sahil S. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now I invite Ms. Jens. All these awards includes the merit certificate along with a cash reward of 5,000 rupees.
స్వామి గారు, గౌరవ ఉప ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం శ్రీ చెవిరెడ్డి భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి, శాసనసభ్యులు ఆచార్య కెఎన్ సత్యనారాయణ, నిర్దేశకులు ఐఐటి తిరుపతి, ప్రొఫెసర్ ఆచార్య వెంకయ్య గారు, డీన్ స్టూడెంట్ అఫైర్స్, ఆచార్య మెహర్ ప్రసాద్ గారు, who has presented this book to me about his father, Sri Anumolu Ramakrishna Garu, Varasatva Nirmata. I am really very happy to receive the first copy of this book. And I would like to compliment Sri Durgampudi Chandrasekhar Reddy for this beautiful translation to our mother tongue Telugu, because I am of the view that all literature, in whatever language it is, English or Hindi or whatever it is, they should all be translated to mother tongue and to different Indian languages. In the coming days, all the books should be translated into Indian languages. Anni kuda రాబోయే రోజుల్లో వైద్య విద్య, మెడిసిన్, శాస్త్ర సాంకేతిక విద్య, ఇంజనీరింగ్, అలాగే అన్ని రకాల అధ్యయనాలు, రీసెర్చ్, అలాగే న్యాయశాస్త్రం, లా, అదేవిధంగా మిగతా అన్నీ కూడా భారతీయ భాషల్లో విద్యార్థులకు బోధించబడాలి. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సీ ఎ డే in my life that Indian languages are taught to Indian students, at least up to high school, primary, high school varaku aa మాతృభాషలో విద్యార్థులకు విద్యాబోధన జరగాలనేది నా ప్రగాఢమైన వాంఛ. I would like to see in future the government administration, ప్రభుత్వ పరిపాలన ప్రజల భాషలో ఉండాలి. 2 కోర్టులు, అక్కడ జరిగేట వాద ప్రతివాదాలు, తీర్పులు మాతృభాషలో ఉండాలి. ద లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్, కౌంటర్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ అండ్ జడ్జిమెంట్స్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ది మదర్ టంగ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్, సో దట్ ద పీపుల్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఆర్గ్యూడ్ అబౌట్ ద కేస్. అదేవిధంగా మూడవది, నేను ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టుగా న్యాయము, అలాగే వైద్యము, అదేవిధంగా శాస్త్రీయ సాంకేతిక అధునాతన పరిజ్ఞానము, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మాతృభాషలో విద్యార్థులకు బోధించాలని. ఐక్యత, ద యూనిటీ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ విల్ బి ఫర్దర్ స్ట్రెంగ్థెన్డ్. వీఆర్ నోన్ ఫర్ యూనిటీ ఇన్ డైవర్సిటీ. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో different languages or more languages, you will be more equipped to meet the challenges. In addition to Indian languages, if the children want to study Russian, French, Germany, or other languages, one should really encourage them. So I am really very, very happy today to be amidst you all today. I am told there are students from other states, 20 states, who have got admission in this prestigious institution. So I would like to speak in English and also partly in Telugu and in between some Hindi also, for the convenience of the students and also the faculty members who are drawn from various states and various institutions. I am happy that my dream of IITs, IIITs, IESR, IIM, AIIMS, and also Indian Institute of Oceanography, and many institutions for which we tried our best in Parliament, got them included in the reorganization bill, and then laid foundation to most of them. And finally, I am able to see the institution which has taken its full shape. అందువలన ఆకారం ఏర్పడి దానికి ఒక ప్రాకారం వచ్చి దాని అందరికీ సహకారంతో ఇవాళ ఈ స్థాయికి వచ్చినందుకు దాన్ని చూస్తున్నందుకు నా మనసులో ఎంతో సంతోషంగా ఉందని మీ అందరికీ మనవి చేస్తున్నాను. Started in Andhra Pradesh also, because after explained to me in detail the progress made and the plans ahead for the future of this institution, I am really very, very happy. I am also happy for another reason. Today, the occasion is the 6th Institution Day of IIT Tirupati. Institution Day. It's an important day today. Friends, this area in future is going to become a big educational hub. IIT, IESR, IIIT nearby, all these things, once they are fully developed, this area, in addition to Sri Venkateswara University, in addition to the other professional courses that are available in Tirupati, in addition to the other facilities, this will become one of the big educational hub of the country. So I am happy on that account also. To be part of this institution, you can connect with India's ancient culture while studying modern cutting-edge technologies. I want you to learn not only quantum physics and artificial intelligence, but also explore our rich cultural heritage. విజ్ఞానంతో పాటు శాస్త్రీయ సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానంతో పాటు పురాతనమైన ఆదికాలం నుంచి వేదకాలం నుంచి మన పూర్వీకులు అనుభవించి రంగరించి మేళవించి మనకు అందించిన వారసత్వాన్ని, ఆ భారతీయ సంస్కృతిని, సనాతన ధర్మాన్ని మీరందరూ కూడా అర్థం చేసుకొని భవిష్యత్తులో దాన్ని ఉపయోగించుకొని రాబోయే తరాలకు అందించాలని నేను కోరుతూ ఉన్నాను. మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ కంట్రీ హ్యాస్ ఎ గ్రేట్ పాస్ట్, as I explained to you. And we have to regain the past glory. We have to make India a knowledge and education hub once again. That is the current challenge. India, fortunately, is being recognized, respected worldwide. Thanks to the leadership, everywhere now India is recognized. And world is looking towards India. And people across the globe, they want to come and invest in India. That is India has become the destination. So it's the right time for us also in the academic arena to work hard, expand our knowledge base, and strengthen our understanding of our culture and heritage, and pass on this to the coming generation. ఆరోగ్యము ఆనందం సంపదతో పాటు వాటిని సంపాదించే ప్రయత్నం మనం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఎంతో ఉంది. ఈ కోవిడ్ మనందరికీ పాఠం. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా మస్ట్ వర్క్ హార్డర్ అండ్ స్మార్టర్. mere Prime Minister or the Chief Minister working hard will not suffice. They have to work hard, but we, all the stakeholders, should also work hard. A challenge that should make us realize our capabilities and refine them constant practice and learning from the best in the world. We should not only feel happy about our heritage, we must also take the best practices from across the globe. That is why the government has been focusing on creating world-class education institutions. I am happy to note that in the past 6 years, 6 new IITs, 7 new IIMs, and 16 new IIITs have come up. It's really a very remarkable achievement. But establishing an institution only beginning. It cannot become a world-class education institution overnight. It requires meticulous planning and sincere implementation by the top academic leaders who are serving as faculty. It requires the creation of congenial atmosphere for students to study, explore, and experiment. It requires a mindset that constantly seeks to be among the best in the world. We must aim to become the best. Till then, no rest. That should be our aim. You must be best in your class, in your college, in your state, in your country, and at the end, in the world. That should be the aim. And with a certain advantage. IITs have a brand name acquired over the past few decades, which everyone associates with quality education. So you are quickly identified as one of the best institutions in the country. However, that poses a great responsibility on each one of you, because you have to live up to the high standards set by the other IITs. I'm happy to know that the third generation IITs, including IIT Tirupati, are growing at fast pace. I'm happy that you are creating the state-of-the-art infrastructure and taking up innovative projects. It is indeed a matter of pleasure that the Transit Campus project of IIT Tirupati secured 2 renowned sustainability awards. I was happy to hear from the director that you got an award from GRIHA and also HUDCO for the design and construction of an eco-friendly campus and sustainable construction material and technologies. Eco-friendly. And youngsters, today India is one of the youngest nations in the world, with over 62% of the population in the working age, 62%, the working age of 15 to 59 years. The median age of our population is less than 30 years. This youth energy needs to be channelized constructively for nation building. The youth can play a transformative role when they are properly skilled, motivated, cultivated, and given the right opportunities. IITs represent the face of new resurgent and aspirational India. You are the face of new resurgent and aspirational India. The university. Campus is comfortable, food also is good. Yes, sir. You are able to get food of your choice. Yes, sir. That's always a challenge. Greenery down there. All the best to all of you. Thank you, sir. God bless you all. Campus is good. Yes, sir. Like it. Faculty. Faculty are all good. Please.
Thank you.